Alright, so for the leadership tube, the first leader that I picked was my boss from work. He does his job pretty well, and I think he's a pretty decent leader. Make sure we all get our jobs done. Looks over everyone, makes sure everything's done correctly. So he fills his role pretty well. Sometimes if you have a question, he's a little slow to get back to you. But other than that, I mean, no one's perfect. And a leader I'm unfamiliar with would be, I just looked up good leaders, and Pope Francis is one. He's the Roman Catholic Pope right now. The reason they say he's a good leader is because he has a lot of progressive views, especially for being the Roman Catholic Church, which has always been kind of behind on progression. And he's done a lot of things with uh, how the Catholic Church views homosexuality, allowing it in the church, which has previously not been allowed at all. So he's a good leader in helping progress the church. So, I mean, I'm not in the Roman Catholic Church or anything, but it seems like he's doing a really good job helping progress them further.